little bit, well, not a little bit, a little too much. Today I want to change the look on the S4, especially in this section here. So I'm going to remove this diffuser today and I'm going to try something different. And I've got my tools here. I've got a screwdriver with a T25 bit and I have my panel removal tools. So I'm gonna work my way from the corner all the way either this side or this side and see how it goes. With my T25 Torx bit, I'm going to remove these screws that are holding the diffuser from underneath. Then from there I'm gonna start working my way from one side to the other right here using my trim tool to remove the whole diffuser.
A few moments later.
Diffuser didn't want to come out, so I decided, okay, what's the next best thing? And I went with masking everything around it and just left enough so that I can paint. So I've already threw in first coat and let's let it dry and then see how it comes out. Yeah, so the masking went very well, so I'm just being careful when I'm spraying that I don't overspray places that I shouldn't. So yeah, this is how it looks now. First coat in. This was a good workaround. I'm happy with how it came out. I mean, this was less of a job as opposed to having to remove the whole diffuser. Let it dry properly and then we'll drive around and see how it looks. But honestly, at this point, it looks nice. Okay. Yeah, that's something different. I know the paint ran a little bit, well, not a little bit, a little too much. I had a lot of running paint, but the idea was just to have it black. Obviously in the future, if things go according to plan, we'll get a new diffuser, but this one will stay black going forward. Alright, it gives the car a different look. Let me know guys in the comments what you think. Do you think the black is actually nice as opposed to how it was silver before? Comment down below. It's been a couple of days and I've been driving the car with this new gloss black diffuser and I must say I really like it. I like how it looks, something different. I'm not used to it looking like this, but I'm sure it will grow on me. So yeah, this is how it looks now. Gloss black all the way. There's just one thing that I noticed. So on this lip, this part of the diffuser, there's a couple of lines. I think they are caused by the washing rag that I use, because they were not there after painting the car, but now there's a couple of lines that are showing here, and I'm not certain because I thought this paint was really strong because I used it before, but now I see yeah, it's not working as it's supposed to. From a distance the car really looks nice. I like the contrast. The black diffuser really changes the look at the back of the car, so yeah, I can't really complain. I really like it. It came out really nice. Yeah, just a few spots. Other than that, I'm happy. So there it is, the gloss black diffuser on the Audi S4. My opinion, honestly, it looks really nice. I'm happy with how it is, except obviously for the small few issues on the paint. But other than that, it came out really nice. And the issue with, you might have noticed earlier on, this clip here, the one in the center, is actually broken. Well, bent. And I think this car might have been involved in some sort of accident. I guess it's also an opportunity for this diffuser, maybe in the near future, to be replaced with something new, something different. But for now, as it is, I like it. It really came out really nice. I'm happy. Please comment down below. Let me know if I did a good job with my painting, or there's an opportunity there for improvement. But all in all, this is how it is. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please comment down below. Let me know of your thoughts, my skills on the painting. And guys, there's tons and tons of content coming soon on the S4 project, and also different cars as well. You might want to consider subscribing so that you don't miss out, and click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video gets uploaded. With all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.